Let's start with the installation of Winlator. First, let's download the latest version from the official GitHub. The link is provided in the description below. The first time you open Winlator, it will install system files. Let it complete the installation, or you won't be able to create containers or use the app properly. Now let's create a container. This is one of the most important parts of the video. You can choose any resolution you want. For the graphics driver, if you're using a Snapdragon processor that supports turnip, select turnip as it usually provides the best gaming performance. However, if your Snapdragon processor doesn't support turnip, like my Snapdragon 4 Gen 2, you can select Vortec instead. For the DX wrapper, select DXVK instead of Wine D3D. DXVK is generally the better option for running DirectX games and can provide better performance and compatibility. For this setup, I'll leave DXVK selected and keep the other settings the same as shown here. Next, install this app from the Play Store. For this video, I'm going to try Gun 2005. I have the pre-installed game in a RAR file like this, so extract it if you have a pre-installed version. That's great, but if you have a repack, you'll need to install it using Winlator. So let's go ahead and extract the game RAR. Now let's open the container we created. Go to the folder where the game's exe file is located. Before doing anything else, install WineGecko and WineMono. Then hover your mouse over the game exe, double-click it, and create a shortcut. Then go to Shortcuts and start the game. As you can see, our game is running perfectly and smoothly at a stable 30 FPS. It doesn't go higher than that. I'm not sure why, but it's running fine.